Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, dear students. This is Muhammad Rashid, your math teacher from Hira Public School, Fadgudiya Ambari Azamgarh. Dear students, in previous video what we have learned? We have learned about odd number, even number, place value, face value, number name in Indian number system and number name in international number system and place value chart. Dear students, in this video we will learn about short form and expanded form of the number and we will solve exercise 1.1. So let's start. Students, first we will clear about expanded form. First we have to know about expanded form. So expanded form of a number is the sum of the place value of its digits. मीन्स एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म क्या होता है? एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म किसी नंबर का, नंबर में जो डिजिट्स होते हैं उन डिजिट्स के प्लेस वैल्यू को अगर हम सम के फॉर्म में लिख दें, वी राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ द डिजिट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सम, देन वी कैन से द नंबर इज इन एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. दिस इज 5234. This is 5234 and if we were asked write in expanded form, अगर आपसे ये पूछा जाए कि इसको एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखना है तो किस तरीके से लिखेंगे, तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, जितने भी डिजिट्स हैं 1 2 3 4, हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स इन दिस नंबर? 4 डिजिट्स. जितने भी डिजिट्स हैं उनको सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, प्लेस वैल्यू उनकी निकाल लेंगे. उनकी प्लेस वैल्यू हम क्या करेंगे, फाइंड करेंगे. उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू को हम जब सम के फॉर्म में लिख देंगे, दैट फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ द नंबर. ओके, 5234. 4 is in the ones place, 3 is in the tens place, 2 is in the hundreds place and 5 is in the thousand place. Clear? So 5 is in the thousand place, so the place value of 5 will be 5000 plus 2 is in the hundred place, so the place value of 2 will be 200 plus 3 is in the tens place, so the place value of 3 will be 30. 4 is in the ones place, so the place value of 4 is 4 because 4 ones means 4 times ones. This is expanded form. This is expanded form of a number. Clear? Now we will learn about short form. What is short form? To write the short form of an expanded number, write the place value of each digit in the correct place. Students, short form जब आपको फाइंड करना होगा तो आपको एक एक्सपेंडेड नंबर दिया जाएगा. एक एक्सपेंडेड नंबर दिया जाएगा, उस एक्सपेंडेड नंबर को आपको शॉर्ट करके लिखना होगा. शॉर्ट करने का मतलब है कि उस नंबर को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कर देना पड़ेगा. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. This is an expanded number and we have to write this expanded number in standard form. So how we will write it? First we have to know what is the position of the digit. Means 5 is place, 40 is in which place and 200 is in which place and 5000 is in which place. So this is 5000, so we will write 5000 plus 200 hundreds plus 4 tens. 4 tens, because 4 tens means 4 times tens. 4 tens means 4 times tens, that means 40, and 5 ones. So 5,000 ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 5 is in the thousand place. 5 is in the thousand place. So we will write 5 here, and 2 is in the 100 place. So we will write 2 here, and 4 is in the tens place. So we write 4 here, and ones is in the and 5 is in the ones place. 5 is in the ones place. So 5. This is the standard form of the number. 5 2 4 5. 5245. This is the standard form of the number. मीन्स बेटा हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म इसको कहें या चाहे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म कहिए, दोनों बात एक ही है.
Dear students, now we are going to solve exercise 1.1.
Question number first is write numbers for the given number names, then draw a place value chart and write them in it. First we have to write numbers for the number names. Means number names जो दिया गया उनको हमें किस फॉर्म में लिखना है, न्यूमरल के फॉर्म में लिखना है. Then draw a place value chart and write them in it. उसके बाद हमें क्या करना है कि एक प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट ड्रा करना है. उसमें हर डिजिट का जो प्लेस होता है, किस प्लेस पे कौन सा डिजिट है, हर डिजिट को उस प्लेस पे हमें क्या करना है, रख देना है. So students, I'm going to solve question number A. 5,32,50,304. This number is in Indian number system. In which system? Indian number system. In Indian number system there is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. But if we talk about in our national number system, then there is ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. But this number is in Indian number system. 5,52,50,304. 5 crore. So first we write 5 crore 32 lakh 50,000 304. In Indian number system, from rightmost we put comma after 3 digit, after that 2 digit, after that 2 digit. In this way we put commas in Indian number system. Now we have to write these digits in place value chart. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place, and this is in 1000 place, this is in 10,000 place, this is in lakh place, this is in 10 lakh place, and this is in crore place. Okay, so from rightmost here we get 4. First we get 4. So first we write 4 at the ones place. So 4, and 0 is in the tens place. So we write 0 in tens place. 3 is in the 100 place. 3 is in the 100 place. So we write 3 in 100 place. And 1000, 0 is in the 1000 place. So in 1000 place we write 0. 5 is in the 10,000 place. So in 10,000 we write 5. 2 is in the lakh place. 2 is in the lakh place. So in lakh we write 2. And 3 is in the 10 lakh place. So 3 in 10 lakh. 5 is in the crore place. So in crore we write 5. So in this way we represent the digits in place value chart of any given number. Now we come to question number 2. Question number 2 is put commas to separate the periods and write the number names. Here in first column the number are given and we have to put commas at the correct place. After that we have to give the number name of the number. First, this is the number 405302117 and we have to put commas according to Indian number system. So in Indian number system we put commas from rightmost. First we put comma after 3 digit, okay, after that 2 digit, after that 2 digit. In this way we put commas in Indian number system. Now we will write the number name of the given number. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundred place, this is thousand place, this is 10,000 place, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh place, and this is crore place. So 4 is in the crore place. So 4 crore, 4 crore. 5 is in the lakh place because 0 is in the 10 lakh place. So 5 is in the lakh place. So 5 lakh, 5 lakh. 3 is in the 10,000 place. 3 is in the 10,000 place. If you write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, so 5 lakh. 3 is in the 10,000 place. So 3 10,000 means 30,000, 30,000, 30,000, 30,000. 2 is in the 100 place. So 200, 200. And 1 is in the tens place, 1 is in the tens place, and 7 is in the ones place. So 110 plus 7 ones is equal to 17. So 217. This is the number name of the given number. In this way we will solve all the question of question number 2. Question number 3, write the following numbers. The largest 7-digit number. We have already discussed about what is the largest number of the digit and what is the smallest number of the digit. The largest 7-digit number. Largest 7-digit number means 9999999. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the largest 7-digit number, but we have to put comma from rightmost after 3 digit and after that 2 digit. So this is the largest 7-digit number. If we write number name of this number, so this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place, this is 1000 place, this is 10,000 place, and this is lakh place, this is 10 lakh place. So number name 99 lakh 99,900 99. This is the number name of the largest 7-digit. Question number C, the smallest 7-digit number having 3 different digits. If we write 7-digit smallest number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is the 7-digit smallest number, and we have to write 7-digit smallest number but having 3 different digits. Look at the number, we get 2 digits only. This is 1 and second is 0. So this is 2 digits, but we have to put 3 different digits, but the number should be in smallest form. So if you write 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is the first digit and 0 is the second digit and 2 is the third digit. So 7-digit smallest number having 3 different digits. In question number 4, write the place value of the underlined digit. Question number 4 is write the place value of underlined digits. इस क्वेश्चन में जिन डिजिट को अंडरलाइन किया गया है उसकी हमें क्या लिखनी है बेटा, प्लेस वैल्यू लिखनी है। जैसे ए में देखते हैं 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 4 is in the 10,000 place. So the place value of 4 is 40,000. So in this way we will solve all the question based on place value. Question number 5, find the sum and difference of the place values of the underlined digits in the given number. इन नंबर में कुछ डिजिट्स को क्या किया गया है, अंडरलाइन किया गया है, तो उनकी सबसे पहले हमें क्या निकालनी है, प्लेस वैल्यूज़ निकालनी है। प्लेस वैल्यूज़ निकाल के उनका सम का मतलब होता है कि दो नंबर को अगर हम ऐड कर दें जो रिज़ल्ट हमें मिलता है वो क्या होता है, सम होता है। डिफरेंस का मतलब क्या होता है कि अगर किसी नंबर से किसी नंबर को हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें तो जो रिज़ल्ट आता है वो होता है हमारा डिफरेंस। वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्लेस वैल्यू इन फॉर्म ऑफ सम। स्टूडेंट्स, जो प्लेस वैल्यूज़ हैं इस क्वेश्चन में हमें जो प्लेस वैल्यूज़ हैं उनका सम फाइंड करना है एंड द difference of the place values. First we have to find the sum of the place values and after that the difference of the place values. In question number A, 8 is underlined and 6 is underlined. So first we have to find the place values of 6. So this is 1's place, this is 1's place, this is 10's place, this is 100 place, this is 1000 place, this is 10,000 place, this is lakh place, this is 10 lakh place, this is crore place and this is 10 crore place. At which place it is? It is at 10 crore place. So the place value of 10 will be 80 crore. So 8 into 10 crore, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So in 10 crore, how many zeros are here? Here is 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. So the place value of 8 will be 80 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. And the place value of 6 in this number, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 6 is in the 10,000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 10,000. 6 into 10,000. So the place value of 6 will be 60,000. 6 1 is 6. How many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now first we have to find the sum. So 80 crore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 6,000, 60,000, ones, tens, 60,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 8. This is the sum of the place value, sum of the place value, and the difference ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, minus 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0. Here is 0, we cannot subtract 6 from 0, so we'll take borrow. So we get 10 here, so 10 minus 6, we get 4, and here 9, 9, 9 and 7. This is the difference of the place value. Question number 6. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. We have already discussed about how to find expanded form and a short form of the number. So you will do yourself how to find expanded form. Expanded form means numbers को अगर हम एक्सपैंड करके लिख दें, उनकी प्लेस वैल्यूज़ के फॉर्म को हम क्या कर दें, सम के फॉर्म में लिख दें, उनकी प्लेस वैल्यूज़ को हम सम के फॉर्म में लिख दें, दैट फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. राइट द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ अ नंबर, इफ वी राइट द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द एक्सपेंडेड नंबर एट द करेक्ट प्लेस. जब किसी भी एक्सपेंडेड नंबर के डिजिट को हम करेक्ट प्लेस पे रखते हैं, मीन्स कौन सा नंबर किस पोजीशन पे आएगा, 1st पोजीशन की 10th पोजीशन, देन दैट फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म और शॉर्ट फॉर्म. ओके.